everybody. Today we will practice with linking sound. Linking sound have four rules. With rule 1, consonant and vowel. Liaison practice. Hold on, hold on. Turn over. Calorimeter. Read only, read only. Follow, follow. Follow upon, follow upon. Come in. Column, column. Sell it, sell it. Take out, take out, take out. Fade away, fade away. Six toe. M.A. M.A. The rule 2. Consonant and consonant. Liaison practice. Consonant and consonant. Liaison practice. Hard times, hard times, hard times, hard times. With luck, with luck. Business deal, business deal. Greedy check, greedy check. The top file, the top file, the top file. Sell 9 new cars. Sit down. Some planes need luck. Take care, sing. Take care, sing. Let them make conditions. Let them make conditions. Harder, harder. Body, body, bodies. Rule 3. Vowel and vowel. Liaison practice. Go anywhere, go anywhere. So on it, so on it. Throughout, throughout. You are, you are. His, his. Do I, do I, do I. I act, I act. Too open, too open. See always, see always, see always. Too often, too often. Rule 4. The first T with Y. What's your name? What's your name? Can't you do it? Can't you do it? Actually, actually. Don't you like it? Don't you like it? Wouldn't you? Wouldn't you? Haven't you? No, not yet. Haven't you? No, not yet. I'll let you know. I'll let you know. I'll let you know. I'll let you know. Can I get you a drink? Can I get you a drink? With rose, with rule, with real, with you, with you wasn't coming, with you, with her, with a chill wasn't coming, with a chill coming, wasn't coming. Are better than Busy forget. Are better than Busy forget. He that. Final answer. D with Y. This receipt. Did you see it? This receipt. How's like it? Could tell. Weather sensor check. What's the family think? số 5 draw keys. Keys. Số 5 số 5 draw keys. Số 5 draw keys. We follow the introductions with it with Y. Yes sure. Insurance. Bless you. Press your hands together. Can you dress yourself? Can you dress yourself? You can pass your exams this year. I'll try the resume. I'll try the resume. Let them gather car for you. Read why. Read why. How's your family? How's your family? How was the trip? How was the trip? Who's your friend? Where's your mom? When's your birthday? She says okay. Thank you. No. All the exercise. All the example. All the example. Take over. Look up. It's open. Make a wish. Listen to Liz. Leave him alone. Let's sit now. Call another friend. Jump up and down. Buy a read envelope. Get 2 tickets. Stop pushing me. It's really serious. My mom made lemon pie. Will Linda be there? Thank you.